Thank you, our little ones. Now moving forward with even more excitement, we have something very special for all of you. Our talented students will be presenting a mythological dance performance based on the divine and angelic Lord Krishna.
Krishna, known from his wisdom, charm and playful speed, has always been a symbol of love, joy and devotion. Through this dance, our student will beautifully depict his life, from his childhood miracles to divine rule, in the epic story of mythology. So, let all get ready to witness a magical and captivating performance as our students bring the essence of Lord Krishna to life on stage.
Please join me in welcoming them with a big round of applause. Participants are Somitra, Pramik, Shankar, Anupam, Arup, Biswajit, Kollan, Subhadip, Som, Sobon, Subhajit, Subrata, Ayan, Saurja, Madhusri, Vitika, Devasri, Supriti, Arunima.